5 minutes. Ready. Noodles in Desi style. First, we will take a pot, add a little oil to it, and add a little finely chopped onion to it, and when a little onion is cooked, add chicken to it. When the chicken is lightly fried, add all the capsicum inside it and fry it well. And then add Maggie spices in it, and add some spices like salt and red pepper. And then I've put a little bit of right in it to increase the taste. Now the chicken and the spices are fried well. Now we will add water and let it cook a little. And now we will add Maggie in it and leave it to cook well. Here, I have Maggie ready now. I will put mince and ketchup in it. Whoever likes it can add it. Whoever doesn't like it can skip it. But if I like it, then I put it in it. I will definitely put it. Now take it out in a separate plate and eat it with pleasure. And feed it to any guests and all the guests. And here is our quick ready noodles in 5 minutes.